shadows long, the hallway stretches thin and wrong. You're out there, somewhere cold, a metal skin, heavy old. My porch light, a dying spark, a tiny puncture in the dark. Come down, just drop the spinning, make it stop. My bed is a wreck, a quiet shore. I don't ask for the sky no more. Unfold the wheels, break the flight, lose a key just for the night. Watching the seasons, the jet stream pass. You're leaking oil, I'm leaking salt. Whose ghost is it? Whose fault? Fragmented pieces, bone and wire. Warm your hands at a ghost fire. The roof is narrow, the heart is a sparrow crushed. Shh. Everything hushed. Don't speak the altitude, don't mention the solitude, just the gravity, the sweet heavy gravity. The keys are under the stone. I'm tired of